My Lovely Peeps, so this is the video for the new Airbnb project. If you like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, But that's it. Let's begin.
That pink. Alright. Sorry, not sorry. I like that DJ. Yeah. Sorry, not sorry. I like that DJ.
Alright, so anybody who has been here for a while know that real estate has always been something that I've been interested in for the most part. And I've yet to completely own anything for myself, like fully outright. It's always been part. Still working on it. Hopefully the next video that I'm gonna do relating to real estate going to be actually my name on the title. So there is that. This is one of my relatives in place. However, this area was not here. It was just a section that they had at the front, and then he decided that he wanted to like build out another part, build out a part. He's not in Jamaica, so there's that. He wanted to build out another section because there's a lot of land space, build out another aspect of it and rent it out. But I was saying to him, why not do Airbnb? Because why not? You already have a rental place here, and Airbnb technically makes more money, but it probably costs a lot more for start. However, we've been back and forth. This is not just happening right now. I've been telling you this is years, at least 3 years, give or take. So once it was fixed up and we put in the lighting, it was just empty, empty space. The ground, like the pavement that I was videoing first, never really wasn't a pavement, just like grass and thing. And yeah, we pave it out there. Even at some point, we had our family members coming together and help paint and as you can see, most like blue. Blue is my favorite color because I was really the person manning it. He's not been here, so him come down here and see look I'm like it. Then yeah, granted his place, so to have get approval. However, the design, we had somebody come in do some design, I like it, and then there was that. Even this back panel, this was supposed to be like completely white, like it's supposed to be like just a white background. Honestly, it was white, but then the person that was fixing our place said, hey, I have some of this. Granted, it is expensive. I don't remember because the amount of money that we've spent is ridiculous. This like amount of money we spend to just get this up to par, get this up to the level is been a lot. We have to check up. Probably by the time we sit down and like after my head right now, I don't remember, but we can probably go through and check up and then just put something on like the screen or something. Cause yeah. But I know it's over $2 million for sure, easily. Cause as you will see, everything is Samsung in here. Samsung guy, our Samsung tablet. Case in point, the fridge, the three TVs that are in here, the microwave, the stove, and the fridge. Like literally, me did buy some of them from Chinese man, Indian man downtown. Wait, what's the real thing? Yeah, about 600,000 for just those appliances. And yeah, kind of expensive. As I say, we've been a save for a couple of years. Well, so me been a save. Honestly, my stock portfolio has taken a hit for the longest while. It's been like me I try, but every second something need to do. If I buy it, we're upon Amazon, we're upon Temu for some of them. I think this coach over there is Temu. Yeah, it's just a lot of stuff, and it actually look good. I mean, I have some before videos out, like why I talk put some before videos of how the place they look first, and know how it's there now. Granted, we are mostly done. Me the things are done, but I guess him like it's him put like a little outdoor section to it, so we have um what do you call that something there? A gazebo. I have a gazebo in the back. So put some videos on it. It's solar, so that not really hard to light bill. Most of the stuff them outside of what's inside the house is solar. So the automatic gate is solar. Um the gazebo is solar. Same can go to the video now and show how it looking at night. The walkway, like when like I was putting the split, it is solar as well because that light bill will be crazy. But yeah, so there is that. Even these recess light, all these recess light came from active where they from Constant Spring, and the ceiling fans came from Amazon. The snacks came from Price Mart. Matter of fact, the two beds that are in there, the frame, I don't know terminology, but the base that came from Amazon, and me carried it on my car, and metal. It's like everything just did make was set up basically. So I got a car first, and now I was able to help, make this come to fruition. Basically, the bed was from Price Mart. Yeah. And yeah, evidently delay because sometimes our workman say, hey, them can't make it today, and that kind of push back stuff. And then someone might do something I don't like it. And then that was also an issue. Also, the lights, 2 times we end up have to call electrician to fix it because it would flicker. For some reason it would flicker, and we never necessarily know why. Because the switches, the active gave us, I think it's 60. I don't remember, but basically electrician say the electrician say it's 60. Anybody know the comment can tell me what I mean. So it's 60, but Jamaica uses 50. So we never have to change the switches. And now we have the scrolling switch rather than the click 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 switch. So there is that. All the cutleries and everything else that they did here, most of them there they come from online Amazon. Be serious. Now what I've learned for the person who interested in Airbnb or rental here, because I have, I guess, a rough experience as to what both of them entail. This is what it is. So I'm going to talk about rentals first and then Airbnb. So rental, you just need the space. You just need the space to be good, everything will function, like water, good, and that's pretty much it. Normally persons come in with their own stuff and fill it out. Occasionally, probably maybe like, I want to say maybe like twice a year something might happen to the place, and like most times is like water, a leak somewhere from one of the bathroom, or something as relates to like normally a GPS or whatever problem that. But that is it when it comes to Airbnb. And then also your money is fixed, like it is so every month you collect 50 grand, or 60 grand, or 100 grand, that for a fact. Airbnb, no. Airbnb is like you're taking care of your house that makes you money. Because you have to go Price Mart or get snacks, which is like welcoming snacks, which is normally not major, but it adds up when it's a lot. So you get snacks for the person they might come, not like a whole lot of snack, just like a welcome snack. So maybe like 3 or 4 chips and maybe a peanut or something and some and to water. Also, as it relates to the rental, normally light, water, internet, them things there is all for the tenant. So you don't really worry about it. You just worry about how much money you get a month time, however you pay mortgage. Now, as it relates to the Airbnb, light, water, internet, anything happen, going come out of your pocket. Alright? Matter of fact, the other day, one of the guests that was here, I don't know if it because them have kids or whatever, like one of the ceiling fans, like something leak it and it there rockle coming in, and it was No, I don't know what it is, honestly. But basically we see a scrape on it, like a decent scrape, like a something like it. And yeah, so that would end up a fixed time before the next list that was coming, I think 2 days after. Never really have that issue. So there was that. Netflix on the TV. However, normal people come with their own Netflix, so that's really not a problem. Also, AC. AC is in every one of these rooms, and as such, that help JPS smiling. JPS smiling. Uh yeah. And then the thing is with Airbnb is that while let's say if somebody spends a few days, you get a decent change, it's not consistent and persons can book now and then end up cancel after. So there is that, because for example, we had a guest that I think they were supposed to come in like 2 days and then cancel everything, like a little cancellation fee or I think something like that. But yeah, and I'm also not even fully I don't understand the app fully yet. So currently I'm just a co-host and I see everything is working out and etc. etc. However, if any of you guys them board the place or you guys plan to come to Jamaica, trust me, nice spot. You feel like they are fine, you can book it. And if you just say, oh, is Garrett video seat from we may can get a discount, we can get some decent discount. We're also thinking about adding like a car to the Airbnb package, give or take, when you know how that part work out yet. But yeah, just something for them to, like if somebody overseas and they need a vehicle, then can get a vehicle while the place. It's so far it's good. I think we have bookings up to July, up to August actually. Yeah, we have bookings up to August, which is good. And if, for example, this place was supposed to be rented out, like the standard rent in all of our vicinity, it probably wouldn't be as much. So let's say, for example, if somebody renting here for like 70 grand per 70 grand per month, 70 per month for this event. We started April, May, June, and let's say it was July, August. 5 months times 5 would be $350,000. Basically in rent that you collect, however. With this, we'll probably double it based on what I'm seeing. Because double this amount already. And that's just August. And granted, there's still gaps in between. When April started, we were getting listing back to back to back to back. So I finally have a little time for I can come and record. I might do a few content here. Not really sure, but we saw one. There is that. Yeah, I might do a few content here. I think next person coming a few days from now. So there is that. And yeah, and the last thing with Airbnb is that whenever the guest leaves, some guests will leave the place relatively okay. Other guests will probably leave the place a bit dirty. You see me? Like they'll wipe off certain stuff, or them left the fridge kind of dirty, which is fine. It's fine because another expense with Airbnb is that you have a cleaner. Granted, I'll do cleaning, but I'm too busy. I'm not here most of the time. So we share the schedule with the cleaner. Once the person leaves, we clean same day so that if any sudden happenings, we're already good and whatever. It's really one phone call at the gate because this is a gated community. So one call gate and we'll have everybody sorted out. So there is that. I don't think there's honestly anything else. I never really come with like my laptop or anything for like rented numbers. If it's something that you guys are actually interested in about running numbers, I can. And then even the flowers and thing. Honestly, I've always liked flowers. Like flowers and like scents. Like I like smelling good. I like smell good things. You see me? So yeah. So I have air freshener in here so as well. throughout the place, so much areas that it's not overbearing. And I have a lot of fake plants because the real ones would be a lot to take care of. So yeah, I think the video done. I might get a setup like this for my yard. Yeah, I still trying to figure out how best me I go do my YouTube setup, but I haven't been home in a minute, so there is that. But yeah, so this is really it. Doing our last tour at the place, and thank you guys for watching. I don't think we do an intro or anything, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you know anybody in an Olaba area or anybody working in like or coming from overseas and want a nice place to stay, real short distance. It took me 15 minutes from Portmore to reach here, and it's like maybe like an hour from the airport. So you could regardless. But if you want somewhere just away from everybody, real quiet neighborhood is me. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and interested. As always, love you guys. Catch you next video. Peace.